if your Sigma lens is making this clicking noise, the reason that it's doing that is because of the adapter you're using. Now, I don't have an official answer, however, after looking at 3 or 4 hours of YouTube videos, I found out that the reason that this Sigma lens makes this loud clicking type noise is because of the adapter that the YouTuber is using. When I looked at videos where the YouTuber was plugging the lens straight into the camera, it didn't make as much noise as it is right now, but then when I went to go look at videos where the YouTubers were using some sort of lens adapter, be it MC11, Viltrox, or Speed Booster, it always, in some form, made this clicking or grinding noise. So, no need to worry, hopefully. Apparently it's normal, and you can go about your business, find a different alternative, but there's no need to worry about this being a broken lens, apparently. Apparently it happens when you use an adapter with your lens. All good.